Introduction. A logo is an essential component of any brand, including a YouTube channel. It helps to create an identity for the brand and makes it recognizable to the viewers. Creating a logo for your YouTube channel can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this essay, we will discuss the steps to create an attractive logo for a YouTube channel. Step 1. Understand your brand. Before creating a logo for your YouTube channel, you need to understand your brand. What is your channel about? What message do you want to convey to your viewers? What is the tone and style of your videos? These questions will help you to create a logo that reflects your brand's identity. Step 2. Brainstorm ideas. The next step is to brainstorm ideas for your logo. You can start by writing down keywords and phrases that describe your brand. For example, if your YouTube channel is about cooking, you can write down words like food, recipes, ingredients, and so on. Use these keywords to come up with visual ideas for your logo. Step 3. Choose a design style. There are different design styles that you can choose for your logo, such as minimalist, illustrative, or typography-based. The design style you choose should reflect your brand's identity and be consistent with the tone and style of your videos. For example, if your videos are fun and upbeat, you can choose a colorful and playful design style. Step 4. Pick a color scheme. Color plays a crucial role in the design of your logo. It can evoke emotions and convey the message of your brand. Choose a color scheme that reflects your brand's personality and is visually appealing to your audience. You can use color theory to guide you in choosing the right colors for your logo. Step 5. Choose the right font. The font you choose for your logo can also impact the message you want to convey to your audience. Choose a font that is easy to read, reflects your brand's tone, and is visually appealing. You can use typography to make your logo stand out and add personality to your brand. Step 6. Use online logo makers. There are many online logo makers available that can help you create a logo for your YouTube channel. These logo makers offer a variety of design elements, fonts, and colors to choose from. They also allow you to customize your logo to suit your brand's identity. Some popular online logo makers are Canva, Adobe Spark, and Logomaker. Step 7. Test your logo. Once you have created your logo, test it out to see how it looks in different contexts. For example, test it on different backgrounds, sizes, and formats. You want to make sure that your logo looks good and is easily recognizable in all situations. Conclusion. Creating an attractive logo for your YouTube channel is essential to building your brand's identity and making it recognizable to your viewers. By following the steps outlined in this essay, you can create a logo that reflects your brand's identity, is visually appealing, and stands out from the crowd. Remember, your logo is an investment in your brand's future, so take the time to create a logo that you are proud of and that represents your brand's message. Thanks for watching.